to get up and leave? And why can't you see that it won't give me peace? How's it so easy for you to get up and leave? And why can't you see that it won't give me peace? I try to understand what it is that you want to do, cause if I understood, I'd find better ways to follow through. Cause I really want to make this work and show that I honor you, but you see it as something more than me. That makes it difficult to say it's not, is why I'm miserable. Cause I know that it isn't fictional, but what I feel that makes her a success. How do I become like her if I don't stay abreast? I'm upset. Now with you, but with me, then I'm not enough. And if I could, I'll build an aqueduct. I want your touch, but am I something that you discuss? With the way I start to think that it isn't false, I blame myself for all of it, just to keep it calm. But I'll give you everything if you just ask, cause I feel like you're just not as passionate to get us out this labyrinth. I'll even kill my abstinence. How's it so easy for you to get up and leave? And why can't you see that it won't give me peace? How's it so easy for you to get up and leave? And why can't you see that it won't give me peace? I gave you everything, but I lose you endlessly, and you always find ways to feed my jealousy. How do you not see that I love you heavenly? And how do you lack so much clarity? How could you treat me so carelessly? And how could you lack so much empathy? How's it so easy for you to get up and leave? And why can't you